Are you tired of feeling dizzy or off balance? Let's face it, dizziness can stop you from living your life fully. It affects everything from your confidence to your ability to perform daily tasks. But what if there was a solution tailored specifically for you? Introducing VertiAid, the natural dietary supplement designed to support your inner ear health and enhance your balance. Say goodbye to dizziness and hello to confidence. With VertiAid, you'll experience 3 life-changing benefits. First, it supports your inner ear health, helping you regain control. Second, it reduces dizziness and vertigo sensations so you can move freely. Finally, it enhances focus and mental clarity, allowing you to feel sharp throughout the day. What makes VertiAid stand out? It's formulated with a unique blend of premium, non-GMO ingredients that work synergistically to nourish your inner ear's delicate membrane, the root cause of many balance issues. Unlike traditional remedies, VertiAid targets the heart of the matter. Thousands have found relief using VertiAid, just like Karen from California, who shares, "I can finally enjoy my walks and feel steady again." And Richard from Texas states, "This is the only thing that worked for me, don't miss out." Click the link in description and pinned comment to take advantage of our limited time offer. Only $49 per bottle, that's a 50% discount off the regular price. Your satisfaction is guaranteed with our 60-day money-back guarantee, so there's no risk. Make a choice today for better balance and renewed confidence with VertiAid. Your journey to stability starts now.